Combining Zoom online classroom sessions with Fusion is both simple and effective. When you've created your online session in Zoom, copy the full meeting invitation to your clipboard. Then go to Create, and Zoom is over here on the right, and paste the text of the meeting invitation into this box. The easiest way to do this is to use Ctrl+V, and then continue. Fusion then extracts the details of the meeting, and you click Continue to create a file in your My Files area. If I scroll down, there's my new meeting link. I can then add this meeting link to my clipboard and drop it into any class or learning space that I need to share the link with my students. So I go to Classes, there's my class, I'll go straight into the file area, go to the clipboard, and there's my Zoom meeting, just click plus to add it. So I now have a Zoom link in my class ready for my students to click. Of course, it's even easier if you add the Zoom link directly from New File in your class. Once you have a Zoom file, you can of course now add that to any homework or task list. So let's go and log in as a student to see how they would use that link. So I'm logged in as a student, Georgia Fry. One option is to go straight to my class. Look at my recent files, and there it is. If this was a file area, when I enter the class, it would be like this. Either way, I can simply click on this link and it takes me to the Zoom page. If I go back to my home page, I've added the Zoom meeting here to some homework, so you can see how that looks for the students. The task list that I created for Georgia is here. And in this example, I've tasked the students with watching a video before the online lesson, and then I provide them with the link to the Zoom session and the details of when it is. And again, she can just click on this link and it takes her to the Zoom website where she can launch the meeting. So that's how to integrate Zoom live online classroom sessions in Fusion.